Good evening, you're watching The Logical Indian. I'm Navya Singh, and here are the most important news that deserve your attention today. Let's begin with some good news today. India's COVID-19 tally soared up to 2,76,000 this morning, with at least 9,985 new patients recorded in the last 24 hours. What's good about this news? With these numbers, ladies and gentlemen, the number of patients who have recovered from COVID-19 have actually surpassed the number of active cases in the country. As per the figures released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, more than 1,35,000 people in the country have recovered of COVID-19, while the other 1,33,000 are still undergoing treatment. In another major news, two firefighters lost their lives as they tried to douse the fire that struck the natural gas well of Oil India Limited in Assam's Tinsukia district on 9th of May. The blowout was first reported on May 27th after a gas emission was reported from the well. Experts have said that it could take about 4 more weeks to control the situation. In a shocking incident, ladies and gentlemen, a 33-year-old journalist based in Hyderabad who had contracted COVID-19 died after he was not given any medical attention inside the hospital. His family ran from pillar to post to get help. However, he struggled to breathe and later succumbed to COVID-19 at Gandhi Hospital in Hyderabad. Before dying, ladies and gentlemen, he wrote a message to his brother which read, "ICU is not good," and he pleaded to be shifted to a private hospital. The Uttar Pradesh cabinet passed an ordinance on Tuesday penalizing cow slaughter with a jail term that ranges from 1 year to 10 years and a fine that ranges from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakhs. Now, the ordinance also allows authorities to paste pictures of those accused in their neighborhoods or at prominent places if they are on a run. American Reference Dictionary, Merriam-Webster, has decided to change and update the definition of the word racism after a suggestion put forward by a 22-year-old girl who said that the term should reflect better the oppression of people of color. Kennedy, who is a recent graduate from Drake University, wrote to Merriam-Webster and suggested the updated definition. Time for some good news. A man who lives near Patna in Bihar has donated his entire wealth to 2 elephants that live with him. He says that 2 elephants had saved him long back from a criminal. The man has donated about 6.25 acres of land to the 2 elephants to ensure that they do not remain hungry after he dies. That's all for today. I'll be back with some more important news tomorrow. Thanks for watching.